When it comes to resources, they are very important in graphic design. That's why in this video, I'm going to be taking you through some websites that you can use to get graphic design resources. And at the end of this video, I have a very special offer for you if you're a first-time viewer. So let's dive straight into it. The first website is this very beautiful website here that has a lot of things. And when you're talking about this website, you can look at the freebies. It has a lot of free text effects, it has a lot of free textures, it has a lot of free brushes, it has a lot of free icons, it has a lot of free mockups, and generally it has a lot of free stuff. And when you come to this website, you will download lots and lots of free things, and with $10 a month you can get access to their plus and special resources, and you can download them unlimited for a month, just $10 a month. But basically it's free options. So the name of this website is Pixel Buddha. The next website is a very good website. It contains text effects, very good text effects. If you click on the freebies here, you see free text effects and free mockups here. Most of the time, I like the free text effects that are here. The text effects are that are the most important thing here. You can go to the text effects bar and see other text effects that are not free. But when you come here, you see that they have classified the text effect into 3D, 80s, blink, cartoon, casino, chrome, comics, game, good, and so on and so forth. But they are not free. But if you go to the home tab, you see that for $6.5 a month you can get access, unlimited download. So this is $6.5 and this is how much it costs in naira. The name of this website is hyperpix.net. The next website is for fonts, free fonts, and you can get a lots of beautiful fonts here. I'm sure when you come to this website, you will download a lots and lots of fonts. You basically want to download the website because as you keep on clicking, you keep on seeing fonts that you like, and the fonts are divided into different categories: sans serif, serif, slab serif, brush fonts, display fonts, different kind of fancy fonts. You can see a lot of fancy script fonts, a lot of fancy fonts, a lot of ritual fonts, a lot of graffiti fonts. So what you need to do is to just click on any of the tabs you are seeing and you see what you like. Go through the website and you will download a lot of things there. So the name of the font is thefontfree.io. The next website is another font website. Font website contains lots and lots of fonts, a lot of stylish fonts. As soon as you enter the website, you start seeing different types of fonts that you like. It contains lots and lots of fonts. And it also contains categories of fonts. You can go to the header and look for categories. You can just search based on the type that you're looking for, whether it's futuristic fonts, monospace fonts, signature fonts, condensed fonts, and basically all the sans serif and slab serif and serif fonts. So that goes to websites when it comes to fonts. And the name of the website is befonts.com. And the next website is another important, very important website, very good website. And as soon as you come here, you will download a lot of things because the website is free. You can get text effects, textures, gradients, brushes, patterns. You can get spray textures, spray paint textures, folk textures, stone paper textures. You can get ink textures, gold textures. You can get graffiti backgrounds. You can get fire textures. I've used fire textures before. You can get lightning bolt textures, masking tape check textures. You can get gradient backgrounds. Looking for gradient ideas, you can just go to their gradient tab and you can see a lot of yellow gradients, brown gradients, red gradients, different gradient backgrounds, bronze gradients. You can also see gradient maps. You can see diatone gradient and so on and so forth. So the website is very loaded. The website is loaded, and the name of the website is resourceboy.com. And the last website is where you can come and look for color. You can look for color palettes. You can search for color palettes depending on what you want. For this, I search for love. So if you show you different kind of color palettes you can use for love, and you just practically use your color palettes to do whatever kind of design, depending on the type of design you want to do. And you can also explore colors. Just look at explore colors here. You can also go to trends and look at what kind of colors are trending. You can look at what type of colors are trending in different industries and others. You can also create your own using their color wheel. You can also create the templates you want to use, the color you want to use. So that's literally everything. And the name of this website is color.adobe.com. So that brings us to the end of the video. So what I want you to do is that you can join my WhatsApp community or my Telegram community. You can share your ideas, meet other creatives there, and collaborate and share your ideas. Basically for a group for creatives. So you can join that group, Telegram or WhatsApp.